My name is Mike Weis. I'm the regional manager for Petersen Aluminum in the Southeast. Petersen's been in business for more than 50 years. Currently, we have 5 locations. We're headquartered in Elk Grove Village, Illinois. Today we're in Acworth, Georgia, just outside of Atlanta. Petersen Aluminum has serviced the metal roofing industry for over 50 years. In the last 15 or 20 years, we've also expanded into the metal wall panel industry. So our history with Redbud goes back a long way. I can tell you personally, here in Atlanta, when we opened up in 1998, the very first call we made was to Redbud Industries. We really wanted to get a high-performing cut-to-length and precision blanking line, and then we were going to bring that in and really just build the rest of the building around that. That was 1998. Fast forward 15 years, and we were in need of some slitting equipment, and we wanted to upgrade our previous lines to really catch up with the industry in terms of technology. And again, we called Redbud for that, and they came in and helped us engineer a solution that was specific to our needs here. Fast forward 2 years after that, and we went ahead and decided that a second line was going to be critical to our operation. Redbud has been fantastic. They're always the first call we make whenever we're in need of some manufacturing equipment, and we wouldn't have it any other way. The Redbud equipment, when we got it installed, our folks, our operators, who are some of the best in the industry, they really latched onto that equipment. They were excited about it. The learning curve on it was very short, within 2 or 3 weeks. We had Redbud technicians in here helping us just to make sure we were comfortable with the equipment. It produces coils that are not only great for sending out to our customers, but also we use these lines to send coils to our other roll forming lines in our manufacturing facilities. So these are the workhorses of the building. They're really the heart of the operation here. And our guys have really taken to it and have not had any issues with it operationally or learning its ways. The Redbud equipment is engineered with safety in mind. It's probably one of the top things that go into designing their equipment. So that fits perfectly into our model here. We want our folks to come in, operate the equipment, feel safe. That was a big selling point for us because Redbud puts a similar emphasis on that equipment as well. Their service and support is far and away better than any other I've come across in the industry. Redbud has a way of being able to dial into our system. They can run diagnostics. Sometimes the fix is just a phone call away, but if it's a little more detailed or involved, we get next day service, whether through parts or even personnel. You know, we really rely on Redbud service, and they've come through every time. Well, what sets Redbud apart from its competition, especially in our case, was their willingness to accept the challenge to design a solution that worked for us. And we've since carried that same solution across to all of our plants, and it's been an exceptional journey from the very beginning. Just their willingness to look at us for who we are. You know, we're Petersen Aluminum. We have needs. We have specific needs that maybe other customers of theirs do not. But they were able to think outside of the box and give us something that long term has benefited both of our companies.